Welcome to this video. Today we're going to see on how we can limit the data usage on our Windows device. So the first thing we do is click Windows, search for Settings, then go into the Settings menu. Then we'll select the Network and Internet option on the left toolbar. Select Wi-Fi, then select on the Wi-Fi we're connected to. Then on the Wi-Fi window, we can see this option called metered connection. We toggle this from off to on. Another option we can also use is setting a data limit for the network. So to do that, we'll select this. So after clicking on that button, we will reach this window. In this window, we can see the amount of data we've been using. To enter a limit, we select this enter limit button. So to set the limit, we have different limit types: daily, weekly, monthly, or one time. This will reset based on the time period chosen. For instance, we choose daily. It will reset every day. Then we'll select the data limit. So for instance, in this case, we're choosing 10 gigabytes. Then we save. And that is how we set a data limit. Another important thing we can do to limit our data usage would be to go to Windows, search for Microsoft Store, click on it, go to the profile settings, which is on the top right corner, click on the profile, check on store settings, and switch this updates from on to off. And we'll select the period of time we want it to be off for and select confirm. And that is it. If you like our video and found it helpful, please subscribe and like. See you next time.